Worried you might not be approved when you try to use Klarna? In this video, I'll explain how Klarna's eligibility checks work and what factors they consider. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Klarna doesn't have a public eligibility checker, but their approval process is designed to be quick and accessible for most shoppers. When you apply for a Pay in 4 inches plan, Klarna performs a soft credit check. This does not affect your credit score and is used to assess your ability to repay. They look at various factors, including your credit history, but not exclusively, your payment history with Klarna if you're a returning user, and the details of the current purchase. There's no way to pre-check your eligibility, but the best way to ensure you're approved is to have a positive history of on-time payments with other creditors and with Klarna itself. A crucial pro tip: start small and build a history. If you're new to credit or Klarna, your initial spending limit might be low. By making your first few purchases and paying them back on time, you build trust with Klarna, which can lead to higher limits and better eligibility for future, larger purchases. And just like that, you understand the path to becoming a trusted Klarna user. Checking your eligibility isn't a formal process, but responsible habits ensure you're always approved. Was your first Klarna approval instant, or did you have any issues? Share your experience in the comments. This concludes our 100 Script Klarna Masterclass series. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us.